What's good, guys? It's your boy Mufasa here today with a brand new video. So today we're just gonna be doing 3 exercises, and so it's just gonna be something that when you only have like a bench like this to do your workout in a parking or wherever you go, you go for a little run, and you just find a bench, and then you need to do some butt workout. You can use the bench to do a lot of workouts, but I choose to do some butt workout today for you guys. Alright, without wasting too much of your time, we're gonna jump to the video. So as I was saying, it's gonna be 3 exercises how we're gonna be doing, and the first one is gonna be squat. So you just gonna, like, however you want to face yourself, you can be like either side of the bench, it doesn't really matter. So just gonna spread your feet shoulder width apart, then you can put your calves against the edge of the bench. It's gonna be a little challenging, guys, so let's just keep it simple for now, and then there we go. Depend on however you want to position your hand. I'm gonna just do it this way first. Go down, you touch, you come back up, you squeeze, go down, come back, you squeeze, you go down, you touch, you come back, you squeeze, go down, you come back. So when you're doing it, the key of squat is the stability, and then the form you're gonna be focusing on. You want to go slowly, and then like controlled. Make sure you control your muscle movement, your joint movement. That's what is gonna really help you get out of the exercise. So you go very slowly, just like this, and then to come back, you explode it, and you squeeze your butt cheek. It's really, you're really gonna feel it once you do it a couple times. All right, we're gonna do it, and then you guys are gonna see now.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Also, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you keep your back straight. What I mean by keeping your back straight, it's now you're gonna like arch your back, because you're gonna see a lot of people when they're doing squat, because they heard that keep your back straight, they want to keep it like this, so they arch their back. That's not what they mean by keep your back straight. So you gotta go with the motion. When you come down, you're gonna see like your spine is gonna lean a little forward. Don't try to force it to arch your back. It's gonna give you some back pain, like some serious back pain. You don't want to do that. So from there, we're gonna jump into our next exercise, which is just gonna be just like this, and then come up, you go down with the right one, you come up with the right one, you go down with the left, you come up with the left, go down with the right, you come up with the right, go down with the left, you come up with the left. So the movement in this exercise is when you put your leg here, let's say you put your right leg up, so you want to focus on like everything you got in that leg, like the hamstring and then your butt cheek. So once you come up, before you even put the opposite leg down, you want to make sure like you squeeze that side, you use all the strength, all your body weight on that leg. And also once you going down, you want to make sure you squat that leg down. You're gonna feel a stretch in your hamstring. That's what you really want. All right, we're gonna do the execution of the exercise now. So when you're doing this also, something you want to do is you want to strive as far as you can. That's gonna help you to get like the strength in that leg. That's gonna help you like to make it more harder for yourself and then get great results. So our third exercise and last is gonna be bench lunges, which is basically so simple. Just gonna put one leg on the bench just like this, or you can go a little further. You move this one forward, then you just gotta go this. So when you're doing this one, also something you want to focus on is the positioning of the leg you're gonna put forward, because if you don't position it very well, if you don't place it the right way, you might end up injured, like getting injured on your knee. That's something you really need to pay attention to. You don't want to bring it so much forward to the point that it's gonna be like, sometimes you're gonna go down, you're gonna hear your knee cracking. You don't want to do that. You just want to keep it where it breaks at 90-degree angle. Once you squat down just like this, and then you come back up, go down, you come back up. You don't want your knee to go past your toes. You don't want that. Just keep it simple. We're gonna do a couple sets and you're gonna see how I'm gonna execute it. Switch the leg. So this exercise, it works your hamstring, it works the front of your leg. So when the leg dies in the back, it's gonna be working the front, and then the one in the back, it's gonna be working your hamstring and your butt. So you wanna make sure like you do as many sets as you can. Make sure you do it the right way. You know, in the workout, in the fitness, the most important thing is the form. That's what you need. You need to get the form right. And as you can see, I started sweating. Like, I haven't done too much. It's great exercise that you can use anytime, anywhere you are to do. Even when you don't have bench, you can still do the exercise. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave any comment you have and let me know what you think about the video. Make sure you share with your friends, and thank you. I thank you guys so much for your support since I've started this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.